should eat fish every day. She is a girl. G for girl. I am also a girl. Girls like to play with dolls. This is a hen. A is for hen. Hen is a one kind of bird. Hen is a female bird. We can get egg from hen. This is an ice cream. I for ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. We like to eat ice cream. I know every children and kids like to eat ice cream. I like to eat ice cream also. This is a jug. J for jug. We can keep water in the jug. I have a beautiful jug. He is a king. K for king. King is so powerful. Friends, do you want to be a king? Then study properly. This is a lion. L for lion. Lion is a dangerous animal. Lion lives in the jungle. Friends, do you scared of lion? I am scared of lion. This is a mango. M for mango. We like to eat mango. Friends, do you like to eat mango? I like to eat mango. We can drink mango juice. Mango juice is so delicious. This is a nest. N for nest. Birds live in the nest. We should not break the bird nest. If we break the nest, the bird will cry. This is an orange. U for orange. Friends, do you like orange? I like orange. Orange is good for our health. Friends, do you like orange juice? I like orange juice. Orange juice is so delicious. This is a pen. P for pen. Friends, do you like to ride with pen? I like to ride with pen. How many pens do you have? I have one pen. I like to buy new pen. She is a queen. Q is for queen. Do you want to be a queen, friends? Then study properly. I like to dress up like a queen. This is a rose. R for rose. Rose is a beautiful flower. Friends, do you like vegetables every day. Vegetable is good for our health. I like to eat vegetable every day. That is why I feel healthy. Friends, do you want to be healthy like me? Then eat vegetable every day. This is a watermelon. W for watermelon. Friends, do you like watermelon? I like watermelon. Watermelon is so yummy. This is an ox. X for ox. Ox is a one kind of cow. Ox is a male cow. I am afraid of ox. Don't go to ox alone. Ox can hurt you. This is Yoke. Y is for Yoke. Do you like to eat Yoke, friends? I like to eat Yoke. This is a zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra is a beautiful animal. Zebra lives in the jungle. We can see zebra in the zoo also. Friends, do you want to learn more English? Then stay with me. I will teach you more English. Bye bye friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe